Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another box opening video. In this video, we will be opening a Dream Valley Nirvana Phoenix Girl. This doll came in 2 separate boxes, and I had my shipping agent, Bhiner, ship it separately because they do not understand the concept of do not open boxes. So I just made them ship it as is, which I could have saved a lot of money by having them combine the boxes. But as I previously mentioned, they didn't seem to understand that I did not want these boxes opened. They were very confused about this point. Anyway, this first box here is the wings. It arrived first, maybe about 4 to 5 days before the body did. And y'all, I struggled with shooting this video this time. For some reason, my phone, the lighting was off, and it was just way too bright. I kept having to stop recording and fiddle with the settings to make it look so not blown out. And then my autofocus wasn't working for some reason. I don't know. Oh, and these parts here, they go on the head. And this little feather configuration just somehow reminded me of those terrifying, biblically accurate angels. A little side note here, I'm honestly not very fond of these waist wings, this little belt wing thing here. I would have much preferred them to make them where they attach to the back, like via magnets, like little holes in the back, the magnets, yeah, that. That being said, I might take these apart and take the arms off the doll and have the wings as arms and just say she's a harpy. Either that or I might sell these wings. I don't know yet. And I will be scrutinizing this doll for damage because it shipped directly from China and I just had a feeling it would be broken. But I don't see any damage yet, which I'm surprised because these wings look very delicate. And another little design feature that I'm not very happy with is the little notch system that they make. Dream Valley usually tightens their dolls super tight, and when you try to move these appendages in this notch system, the resin chips off and wears down super quickly and the notches become useless anyway. I would have preferred a normal jointing system and then just wired the wings afterwards for posability. And just in case, always check your boxes completely inside and out for any loose items, damaged parts, etc. And now we're going to move on to opening the doll body. I also wanted to ask the viewers if y'all prefer me slicing up the video to make it faster or speeding up the video to make it faster. When I slice it, I usually cut out the struggly bits, but if I sped up the video, you could still see me struggle, but faster. So just let me know what you prefer down in the comments. And here I'm just checking the foam to make sure there's nothing trapped in the little square cutout. When I pulled this little foam piece out right here, I panicked. Because usually this little foam piece indicates a hand, and this hand is not attached to the body. Therefore, I was pretty sure this thing was broken. But when I got to looking at the doll, she had both her hands there, so I was kinda confused. time to find out what's in this little foam roll-up. Do not eat. Oh, it's a freebie hand. Zzz. They appear to be in the format of Pray This Doll Isn't Broken. By the way, Phoenix Nirvana comes in a genderless body, which is adorable. Look at these toes, y'all. This is the reason I bought this doll. Jointed talons. A long time ago, Zoom released a doll that had jointed talons like this, and I've wanted a doll like that ever since, and now I have one. It's time for a close-up of those feetsies. I was curious to see how they strung these together and what sort of elastic material they used to string these together with. And let me tell you, even though she has jointed toes, she stands wonderfully by herself. And now y'all get to see me struggle to put these wings on. I was very afraid that I would break them, so I was trying to be very careful, and it was a struggle. And ta-da! I finally got them on there, but man do I hate these belt wings. Oops, I smacked the camera with the wings. There's some pictures afterwards to show her all put together and standing on her own. And if you want to see a little bit more pictures, you can go to my Instagram page and view them there. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.